Today, we are going to discuss the July 2022 Visa Bulletin for Family and Employment Green Cards. One of the most significant parts of getting a green card in the U.S. is waiting for your priority date to be current. This month, we'll go over the July 2022 Visa Bulletin. Let's get into the video.
Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
At first, let's know about some terms which use in Visa Bulletin. Number 1. Priority dates. The first term that you'll hear thrown around is the priority date. Each person who files a petition with the USCIS receives a priority date when the government obtains your petition. A priority date establishes a person's place in line to get an immigrant visa. Keep this date handy since you will need it to compare to the dates found in this bulletin. Remember that your priority date does not move, and you cannot change it except under certain circumstances. Number 2. Final action dates. Final action dates are based on the green card category and the chargeability area of your country of origin. Therefore, the final action dates constantly change based on how many people from each chargeability area have petitioned for their green card. If green cards are still available, the final action date will likely move closer to your priority date. If green cards are not available, you will not see any movement from that final action date. However, if the limit has been passed, you may see the date retrogress or move backward away from your priority date. Once the final action date in your green card preference level and chargeability area reaches your priority date will be considered current. Once current, you will adjust your status or go through consular processing. Number 3. Date for filing charts and I-485. You'll notice there are 2 charts for each category. The date for filing chart determines whether or not one can submit the final immigrant visa application. The final action date chart indicates whether an immigrant visa number will be available. If you need to file an adjustment of status, Form I-485, you need to follow the final action date chart to know when to file is based on your priority date. However, sometimes USCIS will note that they'll accept I-485 based on the date for filing chart. USCIS will use this chart when more immigrant visas are available than applicants. USCIS announces which chart applicants can use within a week of the Visa Bulletin's release. Now let's know the July Visa Bulletin of Family-Based Green Cards. The category for family-based immigration comprises 4 preference levels based on who you're sponsoring family members in relation to you. There are 5 chargeability areas for this category: China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Due to the global pandemic and limited appointments at overseas consular offices, family-based immigrant visas continue to see low usage numbers. Therefore, any unused family-based visas get added to the EB categories. Family-based dates for filing charts. The dates for filing chart determines when an applicant can file an I-485. We see significant change to the dates for filing chart in the July Visa Bulletin. All countries in F2 are current. In the F1 category, mainland China, India, and the rest of the world have advanced 3 months to July 1, 2016. Mexico has advanced 7 months, and the date for filing is 1/2001, and the Philippines remains at April 22, 2015. In the F2B category, mainland China remains at October 1, 2016 along with India and the rest of the world. Mexico stands at August 8, 2001, while the Philippines remains at October 1, 2013. In the F3 category, China, India, and the rest of the world have advanced 1.5 months, and the filing date is October 1, 2009, while Mexico is at April 15, 2001, and Philippines November 8, 2003. Family-based final action dates chart. In the final action dates chart, we see no minimal change since the last Visa Bulletin. All countries in F2 are current. In the F1 category, China, India, and the rest of the world remain at December 1, 2014, while Mexico advances 1 month to March 15, 2000, and Philippines remains at March 1, 2012. In the F2B category, China, India, and the rest of the world remain at September 22, 2015, while Mexico advances 1 month to April 1, 2001, and Philippines at October 22, 2011. In the F3 category, China, India, and the rest of the world remain at November 22, 2008, while Mexico is at October 15, 1997, and Philippines at June 8, 2002. In the F4 category, China and the rest of the world are at March 22, 2007, while India is at September 15, 2005, and Philippines is at August 22, 2002. Mexico advances 2 months to June 1, 2000. June Visa Bulletin for employment-based green cards. With 5 different preference levels and 7 chargeability areas, the employment-based category is issued through your job or occupation. The chargeability areas are China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, Central America, Vietnam, and the general category. Employment-based final action dates chart. We see minimal movement in the final action dates chart in the employment-based category. All countries in EB1 are current. EB2, India's final action date, advances 1 year to December 1, 2014, while EB2 China advances 1 month to April 1, 2019. EB3 India and China see no change since the May Visa Bulletin. China remains at March 22, 2018, while India is at January 15, 2012. The remaining countries are current. All countries in EB4 current apart from Mexico is at April 12, 2020, and Central America is at November 8, 2017. In EB5, all countries are current apart from China, which is at November 22, 2015. Employment-based dates for filing chart. Here are the July 2022 Visa Bulletin final action dates for employment-based immigrant visas. All countries in EB1 are current. In EB2, China and India both advance in 1 month. China stays on May 1, 2019, and India stays on January 1, 2015. All other countries are current. EB3 China remains at April 1, 2018, while India remains at January 22, 2012. All other countries are current. For EB4, all countries are current apart from Central America, which stays at December 8, 2017. EB5 unreserved is current for all countries except China, which stayed on December 22, 2015.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge, so the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!